how to turn on lockdown mode for an extreme protection on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, swipe up to go down. In here, tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we go down to the bottom and tap on Lockdown mode. Then tap on Turn on Lockdown mode. And inside that, when iPhone is in lockdown mode, apps, websites, and features will be strictly limited for security, and some experiences will be completely unavailable. So here we will lock down messages, FaceTime, web browsing, share albums, device connections, Apple services, and profiles. Once you are ready, tap on the Turn on Lockdown mode, and then tap on Turn on and restart. Now we need to put in the screen passcode, and now the phone will restart in lockdown mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Once the phone has restarted, you are now in lockdown mode. So I've got messages here, settings. So we can go into communications. So I'm still being able to connect to the internet. Still be able to connect to Wi-Fi. And if I go down to privacy and security, and if I go down to lockdown mode, you can see now I'm in lockdown mode. And that's it. Thank you.